Hello everyone, myself Dr. POOJA BHAMRE welcome you all to the Maths Expert channel of Vedikaa Academy. Yesterday CBSE Class 10 2024 exam was held, Maths exam was held, and here I have come up with the detailed solution of the MCQ of the set. You can check this particular video and calculate your expected marks in the MCQ. Here I will give you the answer key as well as the detailed solution of CBSE 2024 Maths exam. Okay, so let us start with the solution. Okay, so let us start with the detailed answer key of set 1, question paper code 30/4/1. The first MCQ is two equations were given to you and it is required to find out the value of x plus y. So it was very simple. From the second equation, you can easily see that x is equal to minus ay upon b. Okay, so you just substitute this value of x in the first equation and just solve it. You will get the value of y is equal to minus b. And if you substitute this value of y in the second equation, you will get the value of x is equal to a. Now the value of x plus y is equal to a minus b. So the correct option is C, a minus b. Next, question number 2. HCF was given to you and LCM was given as 40x and two numbers were given. It is required to find out the value of x. Now we know that HCF into LCM is equal to product of two numbers. So just substitute the values and you can easily calculate the value of x, and x is coming out to be 13. So the correct option is B, 13. Question number 3. One polynomial was given to you and it is required to calculate the value of p of 1 plus p of 4. Again, it was a very simple question. P of 1 you can calculate by substituting the value of x is equal to 1 and it is coming out to be 2. P of 4 is equal to 2. So p of 1 plus p of 4 is equal to 4. So the correct option is B, 4. Question number 4. The discriminant of the given quadratic equation is 16. That is, the value of b square minus 4ac was given to be 16. Okay, and it is required to calculate the value of c. So if you just substitute the values of a, b, c, you will get the value of c as minus 1. Okay, so the correct option is C, minus 1. Question number 5. If an arc subtends an angle of 90 degrees at the center of the circle, then the ratio of its length to the circumference of the circle. Now we know that the length of the arc is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. Now ratio is equal to theta upon 360 into 2 pi r upon 2 pi r. Okay, so 2 pi r is getting cut, and if you substitute the value of theta as 90 degree, you will get the value of the ratio as 1:4. So the correct option is B, 1:4. Question number 6. Area of the sector was given to you as 60 pi. The central angle of the sector was asked. Now we know that area of the sector is equal to theta upon 360 into pi r square. Okay, and just equate it to 60 pi. You will easily get the value of theta as 150 degree. So the correct option is D, 150. If the difference between mode and median is 24, then it is required to calculate the difference between median and mean. Now we know that mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Okay, so just from the first equation you can easily substitute the value of mode as 24 plus median in this particular equation, and you will get the value of median minus mean is equal to 24 upon 2, which is equal to 12. So the correct option is A, 12. Question number 8. Two dice are tossed simultaneously. The probability of getting odd number on both the sides. Okay, so what are the favorable events when there is an odd number on both the sides? So here you can see that 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. Similarly 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5 and 5, 1, 5, 3 and 5, 5. These are the favorable events out of total 36 events. Okay, so the required probability is equal to 9 upon 36. So the correct option is D, 9 upon 36. Question number 9. The ratio of total surface area of the solid hemisphere to square of the radius. Now we know that total surface area of solid hemisphere is equal to 3 pi r square. So the required ratio is 3 pi r square upon r square. So it is coming out to be 3 pi is to 1. So the correct option is C, 3 pi is to 1. Question number 10. The value of sine theta was given as 1. Now we know that sine 90 is equal to 1. So theta is equal to 90 degree. And you have to calculate the value of 1 upon 2 sine theta upon 2. So just substitute these values. You have to calculate 1 upon 2 sine 45 degree. So sine 45 is 1 upon root 2. So if you substitute these values, you will get the required value as 1 upon 2 root 2. So the correct option is A, 1 upon 2 root 2. Question number 11. Two lines are given to be parallel. The equation of one of the line was given to you and equation of the second line was asked. Now we know that for parallel lines, what is the condition? A1 upon A2 should be equal to B1 upon B2, should not be equal to C1 upon C2. So if you check each and every option, so option A, B, C were the incorrect. So the correct option is D. So the equation of the second parallel line is minus 15x plus 9y is equal to 5. Question number 12. Three numbers in AP have the sum of 30. What is the middle term? Now let us assume that three numbers in the AP be A minus D, comma A plus D. Okay. Now sum of these three numbers is coming out to be 3A and which was given as 30. So from that you can easily calculate the value of A. So A is equal to 10. So the correct option is B, 10. Question number 13. DE is parallel to BC and it is required to calculate the length of EC. Okay. Now from the BPT theorem, you can easily write down that 4 upon 9 is equal to 13.5 minus x upon 13.5. If you solve this particular equation for x, the value of x is coming out to be 7.5. So the correct option is B, 7.5. Question number 14. The length of shadow of a tower is equal to its height. Now you can see this in the figure that shadow length, if you assume it as x, then height of the tower is also equal to x. So it becomes an isosceles triangle, right? So the sun's altitude at that particular time is easily you can calculate as theta is equal to 45 degree. Okay, because the angles of the triangle are 90, 45 and 45. Okay, so the required answer is theta is equal to 45 degree. Answer is B, 45 degree. Question number 15. You have to calculate the measure of angle BAC. Now we know that from the external point, if two tangents are drawn to the circle, their lengths are equal. So from this AB is equal to AC. Okay, now this triangle ABC becomes an isosceles triangle. Therefore, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB is equal to 42 degree. Now, from the angle sum property of the triangle, you can easily calculate the value of angle BAC, which is coming out to be 96 degree. So the correct option is A, 96 degree. Question number 16. Parallelogram ABCD was given, three vertices were given and it is required to calculate the coordinates of the fourth vertex. Now from the midpoint theorem, you can easily calculate this one. The midpoint of both the diagonals are same. So whenever it is asked, you have to solve this like this with the help of midpoint theorem. So you have to first calculate the midpoints of A and C. Okay, because these values were known to you, and equate it to the midpoint of B and D. So you will get two equations. 6 is equal to 6 plus x and 6 is equal to 7 plus y. So from this, x is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 1. So the correct option is B, 0, minus 1. Question number 17. For an event E, P of E plus P of E bar is equal to Q. Now we know that P of E plus P of not E is always equal to 1. So you can easily see that the value of Q is always equal to 1 and it is required to calculate the value of Q square minus 4. So the required value is coming out to be minus 3. So answer is A, minus 3. Question number 18. One figure was given to you. AP is given as 4.2 centimeter and it is required to calculate the length of QR. Now again we know that from the external point, if you draw the tangents to the circle, their lengths are equal. So AP is equal to PR is equal to PQ. Okay, now it is required to calculate the value of QR, which is equal to PQ plus PR. Okay, so the required answer is 8.4 centimeter. So the correct answer is C, 8.4 centimeter. Now assertion reasoning numericals. First one, the midpoint of a line segment divides the line segment in the ratio 1:1. So the assertion is true here. The ratio in which the point -3, k divides the line segment, two coordinates were given, is 1:2. Here, if you use the section formula for x coordinate, you can see that this particular reason is false here because it divides the line in 2:1, not 1:2. Okay, so the assertion is true and reason is false. So the correct option is C. Question number 20. Circumference of a circle is given to you and radius is given to you. Okay, so circumference is equal to 2 pi r. If you substitute the values, you will get value of radius as 28. So assertion is true here and reason is also true here. Okay, so circumference is equal to 2 pi into r. So here the correct option is A. Both assertion and reason are true and reason is the correct explanation of the assertion. So in this way, we have seen the detailed solution of MCQs of set 1, question paper code 30/4/1. So I hope you understand this video. If you want me to solve more different sets, so you can just comment your set number and question paper in the comment box. I will give you the detailed solution of this. If you like this video, just subscribe it to get more videos like this. I hope you understand this. Thank you.